Equate sugar-free menthol cough drops, 70 count.
Product details.
Get the relief you need from those cold season coughs with our Equate sugar-free menthol cough drops.
Our cough drops help to soothe sore throat pain and provide temporary relief from feeling the need to cough.
They contain menthol that works as both a cough suppressant and an oral anesthetic. They are even sugar and gluten-free, making them an excellent remedy for diet-sensitive individuals. Each bag comes complete with 70 individually wrapped cough drops, so you'll have plenty to help get you feeling better whether you're resting up at home, getting back to work at the office, or on the go.
Plus, our cough drops are available in a resealable bag to help maintain their freshness for you and your household to come back to all season.
Power through your day and fight off coughs with our Equate sugar-free menthol cough drops.
Making the right health decisions can be challenging. With a complete range of products and simple solutions, Equate allows you to take care of your family with confidence.
Equate sugar-free menthol cough drops, 70 count. Helps to soothe sore throat pain and temporarily relieve coughing. Sugar-free and gluten-free. Active ingredient menthol works as both a cough suppressant and an oral anesthetic.
Each drop is individually wrapped. Keep a handful in your desk at work, in your purse, or in your car. Comes in a resealable bag to help maintain freshness. Menthol cough drops, 70 count.
Directions. Dosage. Directions.
Adults and children 5 years and over. Allow 1 drop to dissolve slowly in mouth.
May be repeated every 2 hours as necessary or as directed by a doctor.
Children under 5 years, ask a doctor.
Instructions.
Reclusable bag.
1.
Tear. 2.
Separate to open. 3. Press to close sore throat. Warning. If sore throat is severe, persists for more than 2 days, is accompanied or followed by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nausea, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. These symptoms may be serious.
Ask a doctor before use if you have persistent or chronic cough such as occurs with smoking, asthma or emphysema. Cough accompanied by excessive phlegm, mucus. When using this product,
do not exceed recommended dosage.
If pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use.
Keep this and all drugs out of the reach of children.
Excess consumption may cause a laxative effect.
Do not use if bag is torn or open.